Hello everyone, my name is Sana. I am mathematics teacher at the Creve Private School. I'm explain for you mathematics grade 1. I'm start from chapter 10, lesson 3. Our subject is solid figure. Let's know together what is the solid figure. If you look around yourself, we can find many objects. For example, you can see ball, you can see box, you can see can. They are geometric figures. They are called solid figure. From there, we have three solid figure to introduce for you. The first one, it is cylinder. Cylinder, it has two surfaces. That means two flat faces. And the second one, it is cube. Cube, it has 6 flat faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also we have pyramid. Pyramid, it has 5 flat faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, please dears, you can repeat with me to learn the name of them, and you must know them when you see them from any place. It is cylinder, it is cube, and it is pyramid. Now students, please open page 149. You have some exercise. Let's do together. I need a blue color. I circle this object. It's similar to cylinder. Okay. Is this similar to cylinder? No. 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 Is this similar to cylinder? Yes, it is cylinder. And we have also one cylinder from there. Okay, so you have two cylinder. Okay, you have pyramid. I use red color to circle this object. Looks like the pyramid. Okay, is this pyramid? Yes. Is this pyramid? No. Is this pyramid? No. We don't have anyone else. It's not pyramid. Don't mistake. It has different shape. It's a hat of birthday. Okay, and you have cube. I choose the green color to circle where this object looks like the cube. Okay, now it is cube. We have anyone else? Yes, it's also cube. You can see it. Yes, please students, be with me, stay with me. Go to the another page. We have more practice. Let's do together. Okay, dear. Also, I use the blue color. I circle this solid figure. It's similar to cylinder. Okay, is it cylinder? No. Is this cylinder? No. Is this cylinder? Yes. Is this cylinder? No. It's also a short cylinder. Okay, you have another cylinder from there, and I use the red color to circle this shape. Looks like the pyramid. It's pyramid. Yes. We have any more? No, we don't have anyone else. Okay, and I use green color. I circle this object. Looks like the cube. Okay, from there I have cube, and another one from there. We don't have anyone else. Okay, dears, from there we get in this lesson. See you at another lesson.